How to view your Twitter feed in chronological order. If you'd like to view your Twitter feed in chronological order, if it is not loading in chronological order for some reason, first of all, you open up your respective Play Store or your App Store, search for the Twitter app and check if it has an update available, and if it does, then make sure to update the app to the latest version. Once you've done that, open the Twitter app and make sure to log in. Now, to view your Twitter feed in chronological order, you simply have to go to the following tab. So by default, you will be on the For You page. So in order to view in chronological order, tap on the following icon from the top right hand side. Now when you come to the following, only the people that you follow or the tweeters that you follow on Twitter, you will be able to see the post of those people only. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.